So let me ask you a question. What happens when a master cabinet maker marries the owner of an interior design business? You get a beautifully renovated cabin on a ranch that's sure to rival any reality fixer-upper show.
This 20-acre ranch with a barn, a workshop, and a 4,000 square foot home was completely remodeled this past year, and it looks absolutely spectacular. As you enter the front door, it opens up to the kitchen and dining area. The kitchen features custom cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. As you walk past the dining room, you enter the living room, which is focused around the whitewashed fireplace. You'll immediately notice how cozy this room is with its lighting accents throughout the large room. To the left of the living room are 2 bedrooms that share a full bathroom. And this bathroom looks so good, you could mistake it for the master bathroom. And on the opposite side of the home is the utility room, large enough to make Martha Stewart envious. The master bedroom is located next to the utility room, and what's unique about this room is the gorgeous cabinetry work on the his and hers closet. The master bathroom is located off the corner and spares no expense in its beauty and design. And the downstairs has some options because you can access it from the outside while locking it off from the upstairs. Maybe this is where your guests will stay, or maybe you could turn it into a profitable short-term rental. From the back patio, you enter into another living room that opens up into a small kitchen that's still a chef's dream. To the left is 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, and to the right is the TV room with access to a large custom closet that can store all your gear for all your outdoor adventures here in Colorado.
And speaking of outdoor adventures, with any ranch in Colorado, those adventures always start here, in the barn.
This gorgeous barn offers an authentic Colorado atmosphere. It's a perfect place for your horses. Or maybe you could do something a little different, like what the owners had in mind, an event space where visitors could gather to celebrate some of life's more special moments. To the east of the barn is a huge workshop. It's here where the cabinetry for this home was made, but maybe you'll decide to use it for your ATVs, Jeeps, snowmobiles, and other toys. To the north of this area is the spring-fed pond, and across the driveway is another detached garage that could be used as another workspace or finished out as a separate cabin. This ranch offers a lifestyle that others dream about when they come to Colorado. And with a location exactly in the middle between Durango and Pagosa Springs, you get the best of what both towns have to offer. No other property in Southwest Colorado offers what this one has at this price point. If you have any interest in living the mountain lifestyle in a truly unique and inspiring property like this one, don't hesitate to reach out to Team M Squared. We'd love to show you everything this property has to offer. Cheers!